ship. Quick! Everyone inside the temple! Porcelain is coming!
All right, Quark. You ready to let those stallions out of the stable?
I was born ready.
I believe Dr. Nefarious was clear as to the repercussions of leaving your hovel. The clock is ours.
Whoa, wait. Who?
Dr. Nefarious has no authority here, villain. In fact, I'm not even entirely convinced he's a real doctor. So return my sidekick's pal before I bring the thunder. You win again, technology.
Kill the exile and bring the rest in for question.
They're kidnapping the villagers! We have to stop them!
Sonic, Eruptor, detected. We come in peace.
You saved the Ness's children! I have a secret passageway that will take you back to your ship. Stay close.
We shouldn't be friends.
We're too late! Porcelain is leaving! In here! Quickly! This is the last shred of technology in the entire village. I was always meaning to dismantle it, but now I'm glad I didn't. This teleporter will take you back to your ship. Well, follow me! Quick! Use this Zoni vessel to repair your starship!
Must fix the ship.
Quark, come in. Do you read me?
It's good to hear your voice, Ratchet. They've got us in these containment cells, and they're coming with food. Oh, thank heaven, they're coming with... tap water? You animals!
Would you just listen to me? I need you to activate the nav beacon on your belt. Can you do that? Good. Now hang tight. I'm on my way.
Warning. Hostile ships detected. Point of origin appears to be the same as Captain Quark's nav beacon.
Sir, Bob, the prisoner's has requested to speak with you. He appears to be willing to cooperate. Passive route. Hey, Mr. Versalow? My name's Captain Quark. Maybe you've heard of me. Savior of Solana.